are watching E-News of IPR Department with me, Manisha. Let's look at today's news bulletin. Sikkim recorded 107 new COVID cases from the 1,096 samples tested on Tuesday. The state's positivity rate is 13.4%. Informed by the State Health Department, a total of 420 persons successfully recovered from coronavirus on Tuesday. Total active cases in the state is 2,965 and the recovery rate is 81.3%. The annual general budget of Rs 9,852.85 crores for the financial year 2021-22 was presented and passed by the House during the 2 days budget session 2021-22. Likewise, the 3 bills including 2 amendment bills were considered and passed by the House. The Sikkim Labour Regulations of Employment and Conditions of Service Bill, the Sikkim International University Bill, the Medhavi Skills University Bill, the Eastern Institute for Integrated Learning in Management University Amendment Bill, the Sikkim Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Amendment Bill. Major announcements were also made by the Chief Minister on the concluding day of budget session, such as Government of Maharashtra has granted approval for 4,000 square meter land in Navi Mumbai for the construction of Sikkim House. The Government of Sikkim has already paid Rs 11 crore 97 lakh for the land. The land is very close to the renowned Tata Memorial Hospital, where people from all parts of India mainly visit for cancer-related treatment and care. This will be a huge asset for the state of Sikkim, as it will be provided the much-needed accommodation for Sikkimese people visiting Mumbai for medical purpose. Soaring subdivision in West Sikkim and Pakyong subdivision in East Sikkim will be upgraded as separate districts in the year 2022. The government has allocated separate budget heads for both these subdivisions in the budget for financial year 2021-22, which was passed by the Sikkim Legislative Assembly. Yesterday, the off-site COVID-19 vaccination by Central Referral Hospital, Manipal began. A total of 1,200 first dose vaccinations for 18 to 44 years olds were carried out on the first day itself. The 3 sites at pharmaceutical companies for the first batch of off-site vaccinations are Alcom, Samardung, South Sikkim, and Sipla and Juventus at Kumrek, East Sikkim for its employees and their families. The total of vaccination that will be carried out in the coming days are 3,000 at Alkem, 2,200 at Sipla, and 400 at Juventus. This is estimated to be completed by 19 June 2021. Thereafter, other private companies, that is Lupin, Intas, Torrent, etc. are lined up for the jabs. CRH endeavors to provide vaccinations for all, and in order to aid this, a new COVID vaccine session site will also be set up at Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology, Majitar. The process has already begun and is expected to be operational by the end of this month. The team from Namthang Primary Health Center conducted mass COVID test under Nagi Karek GPU yesterday. The team conducted a total of 52 RAT tests at Kaijale under Nagi Karek GPU, out of which 1 person from Lower Karek was detected positive. They also collected a total of 40 RT-PCR samples. The 8th governing body meeting of National Fisheries Development Board was conveyed through video conference on Monday. Minister Sri Ellen Sarma attended the meeting. The video conference was chaired by Chairman NFDB and Union Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Sri Girija Singh. Sri Ellen Sarma in his address expressed his gratitude to NFDB for supporting the Directorate of Fisheries in organizing the first Fish Mela on 20th and 21st of April, which was the first of its kind in Sikkim. He informed that the Fish Mela was a success. He also informed that Sikkim has a vision to increase cold water fish production, thereby making the state self-sufficient by 2025 with the support from central government through PMMSY. The state also plans for effective conservation and protection of 38 indigenous local fishes found in the lakes, rivers and dams of Sikkim. He put forth his request to the NFDB to establish an office with technical expertise in Sikkim to support Directorate of Fisheries continuously. Minister Sarma mentioned that improved varieties of trout and carp fishes are necessary to introduce to the farmers for high-intensity culturing and shortening of the production cycle. Minister also submitted project plan to Government of India, which includes the mini aqua park, while the proposal for fish eco-tourism village and organic aquaculture are in its phase of submission. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E-News of IPR Department. Thank you.